Hey guys, welcome back to our channel on stock market investing. This is our second video, and on the first video we analyzed a couple of stocks. If you did not have time to go through our first video, I'm going to share the link in the description. Go check that out. Before we begin for the day, this is our small team that makes sure that we have such videos online on YouTube and so that we can help you people around with stock market investing. To begin with, on this video, we will analyze two stocks and we will do its fundamental and technical analysis. To begin with, the first stock for the day is Mahindra CIE Automotive Limited. The current stock price is 221 rupees. The market capital is closed to 8,300 crores. The 52-week high and low is ranging from 92 rupees to 234. The face value of the share is 10 rupees and the PE ratio is high at 155.85. The stock is in the watch list because we expect this stock to stay in momentum for a while. Now let's see what Mahindra CIE Automotive Limited is all about. So this was incorporated in the year 1999. It is a mid-cap company with a market capital of close to 8,300 crores and operates in the auto ancillary sector. And this company has its product revenue segments that includes automotive accessories. Now let's look at the returns on the stock. If you could see, in the last 1 year it has given some massive returns. For the last 2 and 3 years it has been in negative. So we see that this stock has been gaining momentum in the last 1 year. If you look at the 1 day change, that has been 1.31%. For 1 week that's 14.22, and for the last month that was 23.65. For the last year that's been 115.12. So this stock has been able to generate positive returns in the last 1 year. Now let's look at the shareholdings pattern. The promoter holdings remain unchanged at 71.61% in the March 2021 quarter, though the mutual funds have decreased holdings from 3.31% to 3.22%. The number of mutual fund schemes remains unchanged at 15. However, the good part is that the foreign investing have increased holdings from 14.61% to 14.8%. We did some SWOT analysis and here are the key points. Some of the strengths would be that the company had low debt, the company has zero promoter pledge, and as we said earlier, the foreign investing has been increasing on this particular share. Some of the weakness are there's an inefficient use of the shareholder funds and there's a degrowth in revenue. Talking about opportunities, we see that it has the highest recovery from the 52-week low and there's a RSI indicating price strength. Talking about threats, there's an increasing trend in the non-core income. Let's look at the results. For the quarter that ended on 31st of March 2021, the company has reported a consolidated total income of 2208 crores, which was up by 12.40% from the last quarter. The company has reported a net profit after the deduction of taxes of rupees 10.09 crores in the last quarter. Okay, so moving on, let's look at the most interesting part, and that is the technical analysis of this stock. If you look at the pattern right now, I think the good time to enter this stock would be when this ranges in the price range of 215 to 225. We are considering this stock for a very short period of time, and that is just 1 month. So of course the target is till 245 to 250. We see that the stock has been momentum for a while, and maybe we can take advantage of that momentum and get returns from this. So we expect this to reach 245 to 250 from 1 month from now, and I think a good time would be 215 to 225 to enter the stock. Apart from that, there's another interesting feature that I can mention, and that is that the resistance line has crossed the bullish Maribosel candle with volume. MACD is also showing a buy signal along with the MA cross line. So that is our technical analysis for this particular stock. So the next stock in the watch list is Gabriel India Limited. The current price of the stock is 130 rupees. The market capital is close to 1900 crores. The 52-week high and low is ranging from 76 to 134. The face value is rupee 1 and the PE ratio is 13.82. Now let's see what Gabriel India Limited is about. So it was incorporated in the year 1961. It is a small cap company which has a market capital of 1900 crores and again operates in the auto ancillaries sector. The Gabriel India key products or the revenue segments include shock absorbers and struts, scrap, sale of services, and export incentives. Now let's look at the return on the stocks now. If we look at the pattern, the highest that we could see on the chart is for 5 years and that's 45.27%. For the last 1 year that was 26.7%. For the last day it decreased to 0.27%, but for the last 1 week it has generated 11.45%, and for the last 1 month it was 24%. Let's look at the shareholding pattern now. The promoters have increased holdings from 52.75% to 55% in March 2021 quarter. Mutual funds have decreased holdings from 5.75 to 5.74%. The number of mutual fund schemes remains unchanged at 3. We also see a decrease in the foreign investing holdings from 4.27 to 3.83%. We did some SWOT analysis and we found that the company has low debt, it has zero promoter pledge, and it is very near to the 52-week high. Now let's look at the weakness. There's an inefficient use of shareholder funds and there's a degrowth in revenue. If you look at the opportunities, we see that the RSI is indicating price strength, it has high volume and high gain. We could not actually find any threats for this particular stock. Let's look at the results now. For the quarter that ended on the 31st of March 2021, the company has reported a standalone total income of 586.97 crore, which was up by 8.15% from the last quarter. The company has reported net profit after the deduction of taxes of rupees 27.69 crores. Okay, so now let's look at the technical analysis of this stock. As the last stock, we are also targeting this stock for a very short period, and that is 4 to 6 weeks. As per the current stock price, we'll consider the same margin to enter into the market, and that is from 125 to 135. There's not much over here, but we expect this to reach its target of 145 to 150 in the coming 4 to 6 weeks. So it would be worth investing your money for a very short period of time to generate some returns. Let's look at the candle pattern and we see that it is formed just above the new support level with a good volume, which is a great signal to buy. The RSI is at 65, which is also a great signal to buy as it is not in the overbought zone. That's our technical analysis on this particular stock. So these were the two stocks that we wanted to analyze for today. Just to reiterate, we are not professional financial advisors, but we do our own research and we share this for educational purpose so that you understand how you can analyze stocks and begin your journey of investing in the stock market. There is one motto in life, and that is to get financial freedom, and we are on a mission to help the people of India invest their money in the stock market and generate massive returns to fulfill their financial dreams. With that being said, that's all we had for today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. If there's anything that you want us to do for the future, do mention that on the comment box. If you want to stay tuned on this investing journey, click on the subscribe button so that whenever we upload videos, you are made aware of that. Thank you so much for watching in. Until next time.